Minister, not only has the NPA been unstable, but it has been used to fight political battles in this country, not only within the ANC, but against anybody who has dared challenge the state. During the Fees Must Fall protest, where students engaged in the noble and the struggle for free decolonized education, the NPA was used to victimize and terrorize students so that they will never dare challenge the power of the state. Unemployed students were arrested in the dorm rooms, were given 5,000 bail, and there were instructions handed down that their lives must be made difficult in order to scare students from protesting again. The question, how many students have applied for amnesty? And now, how many students is your department assisting in these amnesty applications? Thank you very much.
The Honorable the Minister.
I don't think any amount of grandstanding is going to help the cause of the students. Reality is that there is a law enforcement dispensation in this country. First of all, the prosecution does not arrest and investigate alleged offenders. Maybe you can ask my colleague next to me, because that is the responsibility of the police. We receive dockets following investigations conducted by the police as the NPA and make prosecutorial decision. Then a decision is taken on whether a matter should proceed on trial or not, all right? So, of course, there are different mechanisms such as diversion in terms of which minor crimes are dealt with differently outside of the formal criminal justice system, etc. I'm not sure about amnesty. As far as I know, the amnesty dispensation that ever was applicable under the TRC, which came and went. So I don't know of any amnesty dispensation that's competent in our law currently. As far as the work that we have been doing in interacting with the students to look at whether there are any matters that can be dealt with differently outside of the criminal justice system, as well as we had announced that would stand ready to assist anybody who wishes, if they feel they qualify, for consideration for presidential pardon is concerned. That is a matter that is still pending. A meeting with the students has not yet occurred. We have asked them to provide us a list of students who they feel should be the subject of this work. We have our own list, and until that meeting has taken place and we've reconciled our lists and indicated as to what has happened to each of the cases so far as those that are still pending, what the status is, and if any wish to make any applications such as presidential pardon or avail themselves of any other recourse in the system, those matters will be dealt with in specific terms on a case-by-case basis. Thank you.